Good morning. You are listening to Kanak Keswani, your news anchor of Lavfana Media. Here we bring you latest updated news of 25th July from around the world. You can't make the party a public tamasha. Kapil Sibal to Sachin Pilot. You can't be Chief Minister of a state with the support of just 20 to 25 legislators. Congress leader Kapil Sibal told party rebel Sachin Pilot through a news conference on Friday, hours after the sacked Rajasthan Deputy Chief Minister scored a temporary reprieve at the High Court. You can't make a tamasha before the public, Mr. Sibal said. I want to ask Sachin, do you want to become Chief Minister? Tell us. Why the protest? If you say you are not joining the BJP, then why are you sitting in Haryana? Why didn't you attend Congress meetings? He said. Do you want to form your own party? Whatever it is, come out and speak. Don't sit inside a hotel. Mr. Sibal, a senior advocate who represented the Rajasthan Speaker in the Congress Supreme Court battle against Mr. Pilot's squad, said. Call assembly session. Ashok Gehlot's MLAs protest at Governor's house. Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot landed up at the Governor's house with at least 100 Congress MLAs yesterday, escalating pressure on Governor Kalraj Mishra to call an assembly session and refusing to budge if he didn't. Scores of MLAs were seen sitting on the lawn of the Raj Bhavan observing physical distancing in the time of coronavirus and shouting slogans as they waited for the governor. Many of the MLAs miled around the house, looking determined for a stakeout until the situation went their way. India crosses 13 lakh coronavirus cases. The number of coronavirus cases in India has crossed 13 lakh, government data shows. The country also overtook France on Friday as the number of deaths linked to COVID-19 crossed 30,000. The number of deaths in India is now the sixth biggest behind the US, Brazil, Britain, Mexico and Italy. India has reported 13,06,102 cases so far. Maharashtra has the biggest cases at 3,47,502, followed by Tamil Nadu with 1,99,749 and Delhi with 1,27,364 cases. Who can fly special international flights and when will normal travel resume? As flights from India to the US, France and Germany under the temporary reciprocal arrangement begin, passengers, including Indian citizens, have been scrambling to get a seat on these outbound flights. Even as airlines, both Indian and foreign, have been accorded the permissions to fly passengers of any citizenship on either of the flight legs. Passengers will be subjected to the restrictions imposed by the respective government of the destination country. I, Kanak Keswani, will come with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.